Hi, Darcy here from Perfect Surfaces, and today we're going to talk about installing rubber flooring over existing carpet. If your existing home gym has carpet that you do not want to remove, don't despair. We have options for you too. Your options, however, can depend on what type of carpet you have. Let's go take a look in the warehouse. Do you have a flat, low pile, or Berber carpet? If so, then you are in luck. You have a few options available to you, which can be loose laid directly over top. No preparation necessary. The key here is that you must use a high quality rubber mat, sheet, or interlocking tile that is heavy enough to sit flat, plus offers tight fit and finish. This is key to maintain a consistently level floor that stays tightly in place. Our Versa rubber sheets are a great option due to their premium vulcanized construction and ability to be installed with a compression fit, meaning no adhesives or tape required. Now, if you have a plush, high pile carpet, you have limited options, but you do have options. Carrying out the carpet, not in the cards? Have no fear. If you want to keep your carpet, then you can start by creating a subfloor made of thick plywood or other rigid subfloor materials such as dry core. From there, most rubber flooring options are now available to you. The other option is to install an ultra thick rubber tile that comes with a built-in subfloor, like our Gator shock tiles. The high performance Gator shock tiles are thick enough to self-stabilize on most plush carpets, while providing a sturdy yet flexible rubber shock support system. These tiles are intended to provide impact and stability on uneven surfaces. This solution will typically save you both time and money over installing a subfloor first. Now please note, although you can lay rubber flooring directly on top of carpet without any prep work, be aware that the rubber may leave light colored carpets looking dirty after removal. This can traditionally be cleaned using a carpet cleaning service or tool. Now, the one thing you do not want to do is simply put down just any rubber flooring on top of your carpet. Not only will it create an uneven and unstable surface that looks bad, but can also cause injuries. The most important thing to achieve here is stability. An even, stable floor is a safe floor. We hope that this video provides some insight when installing rubber flooring over top of carpet. For more information, please visit us in store or online at perfectsurfaces.ca. Thanks for watching.